Hello.
Hi guys. Feel free to come into this space here. Everyone's kind of avoiding the centre.
Slash, please.
Yeah. Gather here. Find warmth in each other. Do the penguin effect. Thank you guys so much for coming out to see us here in Bedford. We've never been to Bedford before. We've had such a nice day. We discovered a shop called Home Sense, and we just lost our heads in there. It was incredible. Hannah looked in the rug section for an hour solid. I left her, I couldn't find her, I walked around the shop like I was looking for my child going, Hannah! And I found her where I'd left her, in the rugs.
It's amazing.
Yeah, so we're massive fans of Bedford. Thank you so much to these guys for coming along tonight and for creating such a beautiful atmosphere. To Sarah and to Minnie Birch, you guys are just amazing.
We're fully inspired.
So inspired. We were put into this beautiful, calm, euphoric state, and then Minnie came on with her really emotive lyrics and my eyes began to sting, and it was like, I don't know what's going on.
And now we're going to get in your face.
Yeah, we just feel unprepared for this, but we absolutely love what you guys do, so thank you so much. We've had, this is the last night of our tour. I will shut up and we will sing to you in a second, but this is the last night of this tour and we've met some incredible support acts along the way. But I really believe tonight was just something so special. I don't know if that's just because it's the last night as well, everyone's been amazing, but I especially enjoyed your music tonight, so thank you guys so much. Okay, enough of the gushy stuff. Okay, this song is called The Confession.
2, 3, 4.
We were talking, sharing stories in the dark. You were stolen, taken on so very far. We went crawling to a place I couldn't find. I'll keep on searching, I will not be left behind. Dark and all doubts will be drowned inside your